Hey there friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be cooking and prepping for my annual autumn party. If you're new to our channel, my name is Karen and welcome. We would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe for more decorating, cooking, and day-in-the-life videos. Since Hocus Pocus 2 came out September 30th, I wanted to base my theme around that. I chose my menu from this Hocus Pocus cookbook, plus it couldn't be an autumn party without a trip to our local corn maze. It's gonna be the perfect day for my autumn party. Hi friends, welcome to my autumn party vlog. This is going to be so much fun. This is my second annual autumn party. Last year I called it a harvest party. Today I'm going to call it an autumn party. We're having all our friends over tonight. I'm going to make some really fun festive food. Today is the premiere of Hocus Pocus movie number 2, and I've already been watching it this morning. I've got my Hocus Pocus cookbook where I'm gonna get all these delicious recipes. We're gonna head out to the grocery store to get everything we need, come home, start cooking, and get everything ready for our party. And this is my autumn party invitation I sent out to all of our friends. I'm gonna share with you the menu, but I know it's so teeny. See if I can see it without my glasses. So, we're gonna be having Black Magic beef stew today. We're gonna be cooking up while making my roasted pear salad that I shared in my Halloween dinner night idea video. We're going to be having dead man's toes. Wait till you see these, oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to be having a bourbon caramel sauce with pumpkin cheesecake truffle, and we're gonna have a spiced apple cider. Also, Jody's bringing a Brie that's shaped like a pumpkin. It's gonna be so beautiful. Lauren's gonna bring us something, a little side dish, and it's gonna be super fun. So I cannot wait to have you guys come along. Let's go get to the grocery store because we have a lot of cooking to do. Well, it always makes you feel good when people stop you, and 2 people stopped me today wanting to know where I got my shacket. And of course this was on our boutique last year, but we don't have it anymore. We just sold out of it again. So anyway, oh, I love it. It is so pretty. Okay, so I got a few things at Target. I got paper plates and napkins, like festive ones. And now we're gonna head out to the grocery store and get everything we need. We gotta go home. We've got a lot of cooking to do, and it's such a perfect day for this event. I am so excited about it. We're gonna get started with my beef stew with carrots and potatoes. I had my butcher cut beef shoulder into cubes to make it a little bit easier for myself. So I put some olive oil in my Dutch oven, and I'm going to brown these in batches, therefore just giving them each a little bit room. I'm not wanting to overcrowd the beef, and then brown it properly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it all out of the pot. And I'm gonna add my onion, and I'm gonna add my garlic and let those brown up a little bit while I'm getting all those yummy bits at the bottom of the pan. Now I'm gonna add my balsamic vinegar, and again, get all those delicious yummy bits. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add tomato paste and let that cook for about a minute or more. And then we're gonna add the beef back to the pan, and then we're gonna pour some flour on it, and we're just gonna keep tossing this around until all the flour is dissolved. And then one of my favorite parts is adding some delicious red wine, and then we're gonna add beef broth, some water, and then my bay leaves, my thyme, a little bit of sugar, and we're just gonna get this all stirred up really well together. And we're going to cover the pot, and we're gonna let this braise for about 2 hours. And you can have the choice if you have a big enough Dutch oven to go ahead obviously and cook this on the stove top, but I needed a bigger pan, so I went ahead and put mine in the oven. All right friends, things are moving along. It smells so good in here right now. I've got literally just a few hours to go here before everyone gets here, but it is really such a beautiful day. It's gonna be the perfect day. It's just blue skies out there. I cannot wait for everyone to get here tonight. I went ahead while that was in the oven and cut up my potatoes and my carrots. Next, I'm going to whip up my spiced apple cider, cutting up some apples and oranges. I'm gonna list all the ingredients and all the directions in the description section for you. This next recipe is so delicious, friends. It's called Bubble Bourbon Caramel Sauce. And if you're looking out for your waistline, well, this is not the time to do it. I wanted to make this sauce to complement the delicious pumpkin cheesecake trifle that Kim is making. It's now time to add the carrots and potatoes to my beef stew, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook a little while longer, probably for a good hour or so, just until make sure the potatoes and the carrots are perfectly done, nice and tender. As you can see, this is what the apple cider turned out to look like. Again, I'll have all the ingredients listed in the description section. I wanted to have something else for our guests to snack on. I know Jody is bringing a delicious pumpkin brie, which I cannot wait to see. So I wanted to whip up this everything ranch cheese and pretzel snack mix. I love the mix of all the herbs with the melted butter and the pretzels and the Cheez-Its and goldfish crackers. You can also add Chex rice cereal. I didn't have any on hand, so I just added a little bit more of the other three, and let me tell you, this is so delicious. You can really make this any time of the year and enjoy a yummy snack that is something I know your family and friends are going to indulge in. They're going to love it. And these dead man toes made with crescent rolls and hot dogs were the biggest hit of the party. So we are getting ready for everyone to get here soon. We got the fire going because it's quite chilly out, but it's gonna be perfect for our night tonight. Everything going, it's so pretty and cozy. We got the fire pit.
Okay.
Hey! So yeah, we're ready for our party, right? Second annual.
Right.
Allie. Alrighty, friends, I have been in the kitchen for literally 5 hours, but I think I got everything done. I tried to film everything I was making, except for the harvest pear salad that I did share in another video, and I will link that below. I've got my Dudley Stevens turtleneck on, one of our new shackets I'm gonna wear tonight with some boots. Everyone should be here in a few minutes. As you can see, Jake and Allie just got here. She's been a lot of help, and I am so excited. It's like a cold, crisp evening, so perfect for our autumn party. And then we're gonna have dinner and head out to the corn maze. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, so I'm gonna finish getting ready, get some boots on, and then wait for our friends to get here. Hey, look at how beautiful this is. Jody made a pumpkin brie. Look at I guess she put some string on it while it sets, and then she took it off and added, what are these, bay leaves?
Those are sage.
Sage!
Bay leaves, I guess that's just what I had.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I'll make sure I get the recipe from her, but look at the crackers. Oh my goodness, this looks really, really good.
Hey! How are you?
Enjoying the fun time with the girls. Marie, I ask Allie in there all the time. Okay, friends, we arrived here at the Maze Craze. I am so excited.
Lost again, going back around. Dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Halfway, heart of mine is surprised. Don't make me.
Hi friends, I thought I'd share what I have on tonight. This is our new autumn leaf jacket, which is so cozy, and our new Harper purse. I don't know, it's a cute purse anyway. We're so excited for tonight. It's the perfect night to be out here, and I want to take a picture of me and little Lauren and all of our friends tonight. So perfect night to be out here at the corn maze.
Count on my company and I will come.
All right, friends, what's crazy? We're having so much fun tonight. It's the perfect autumn evening, isn't it?
And it's just perfect fall.
Nice and crisp out, and a good night for the maze craze. And so we're excited because Jake, my son-in-law, is so good at getting us through all this. Those that were here before last year, you know, Mike and Kim were with us. He's actually filming behind the scenes, so thank you, Kimmy.
Thanks, Kim.
And so anyway, Jake's going to lead us through. There's actually, I think, 5 different mazes. Yeah, right?
Yeah, we're
All
gonna
right.
have fun. I hope you guys are enjoying your fall season too.
We do too.
Having
It's so much fun and festive. So we'll see you inside the maze craze.
All right, let's go.
Pick me up when I'm in pieces.
Here we go.
Heading in the green.
Number 9.
I hope you enjoyed the festiveness of my 2nd annual autumn party. I had so much fun preparing this food and preparing the menu for our friends. The corn maze was a lot of fun. Jake got us successfully through all the different mazes. It was a beautiful, beautiful evening. Please share with me some of the things that you are doing to enjoy this time of year. Thank you again so much for hanging out with me today. I love you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.